Hi there, this video is about our results section, and I've titled it "How do I present my results in my assignment?" And our goal is to learn how to present data. So by the end of this video or lesson, I'd like to explain what makes my results sections clear and meaningful, and then be able to present my data to a high degree of accuracy in my assignment. So let's have a look and see what the and marking criteria. So we've got our results there. The findings of the fieldwork communicate in a clear, sustained, logical and meaningful way. I'm going to show you some examples of that and how we present data. This is the type of things that you're going to include. This is where you include things like maps you've created from data collected, and that's called a Prezi map. So you might colour certain areas of your hand-drawn map. You could do like a land use map, areas that are used by different people, industry, that type of thing. You can add tables, tables of data collected, photos with descriptions, annotation, but you must discuss at least 3 management strategies which you have observed or learnt about. The way you present it, it's totally up to you. So make sure you've got all of that information in your results section. So let's take a look at some data that we can present, and I'll explain how and why it makes it so clear, sustained, logical and meaningful. This is just a column graph that I found on the internet. What makes it good is the fact that we've got a title here, as you can see here, and it says figure 2, per capita food loss and waste at consumption and pre-consumption stages in different regions. So first of all, we need our title. We've got a legend telling us what these colors mean, and can you see our axes are labeled here and here. This is a really good example of how to present data. So in our data section of our assignment, we can include things like column graphs, and then we would state what you can see. So in Europe, production to retailing is the highest, followed by consumer. So you just literally state what you see. Another good example of good data presented well is this climate graph. As you can see, we've got our title here. We've got our labels or our axes, which are really important, and it's just really, like, the colors are good. It makes it easy to read, and that's what you've got to remember when you present data. If I was using this, I'd make sure I state my results. You're only stating the results, you're not explaining them. That's what the conclusion is for. Remember, this is just results. Then what you might do is include a table. So again, a table has a title, and all it is just a simple table with the information. Again, you would write your, you would just state what you could see. Some of these you might probably do on the field day and just type them up so they're nice, neat and easy to see. Just another little help, if you highlight the rows across, it makes it easier to read. I'm just showing you in these colors. That makes it a little bit easier to read, and it helps your data stand out, because at the end of the day, you're just trying to show what you did at Pioneer Dairy in a real clear, meaningful, logical way. Also, you've got to remember, if you gave your report to someone else who had never studied Pioneer Dairy, they could go away and do the experiment again. Another way of presenting data is a photo. This was a photo I took from last year. Again, it has a title. Photo 1, photograph to show area studied. It's as simple as that. And then this is what we mean for annotation. Area studied for water testing. So I know this area was, like, if I have never read this before, I'd know that this is the area where you studied water testing. So again, if I pick this up after you're finished, I could go to this spot and get the same results as you did. So photos are really important, but you've got to title them and you've got to annotate and describe what's going on in the picture. And also, I put at the side of the photograph my results. What did I see? What did I get? This would be good to maybe put with the water testing table, side by side comparison. That would be great. I hope that this video has been some help to you and explained to you what we're looking for in terms of meaningful data presented in a meaningful way. Just remember all your results that you use in your results section, they're clear, they make sense, they have titles, and remember the audience you're writing your work for. Someone must pick this up and be able to do the result, do the research methods again and get the same results. Any writing, remember, our sentences start with capitals, end with full stops. Our nouns are use capitals when necessary, and making sure that our results are nice and clear. In the playlist, I've also put a few other videos about how to make a good map, as well as how to present a column graph, and a few other things. So make sure you look at the playlist, and also make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks.